Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Anyway, today we are cooking old chicken livers. These chicken livers were in the fridge for the past 60 years, okay? So let's just cook them. First of all, wash them with milk. Don't ask me what does this milk do. I don't know. I saw somebody doing it. I'm like, I'm following. But those who know cooking, they said for heartburn issues, I don't know, but get me na angazi. Right? And everything is old. You can see by even the carrots, it's old. You know what did I say? We cook what we have in our houses. We don't throw away food. I am gonna go to this shop of yours, your favorite store, and buy new veggies because we are showcasing we cook what we have in our houses. You're going to dice them nicely, your old carrots, okay? Just because of things are old doesn't mean they are no longer purposeful. All right, good. Even our parents at their old age, they are still important. All right, dice it nicely. Of course, you can use a different type of, your shape of your favorite. Your favorite shape. I don't know. Then warm up your cooking oil aside. Scarfish. Never put 6. You can't cook ka 6, right? Then we are taking onion. Bafana the boys, they will make you cry. If you don't know this one, you don't have a strategy for this boy, he will make you cry. For this girl, you will cry like a cat. You will cry like a cat. So that's how I'm wearing my gloves. I'm like, I ain't touching you, nigga. You smell so bad. And you make us cry. Dice it nicely or chop it nicely. Throw it in the pan with the good boys, green pepper, the green flag kind of boys, and then the yellow pepper. You know, that guy who's really not perfect, but who's perfect, but who's not perfect. Today, don't worry, we are not having red flag because we don't have it and we cook what we have, right? While I'm still pepperizing, please put your comment in there or like or share or subscribe. I know many of you are watching without subscribe. Anyway, as you're gonna put sugar. Why? Because we are doing chicken livers and sometimes they have this aftertaste or some sort of heartburn, so we neutralize it with sugar. Okay, I'm not a chef. Don't ask me. Hey, sugar. Hey, I cook according to my mind though. I cook according to my measurement, right? This channel is specifically for us who are not chefs. Yes, we are not chefs here. We are just making ends meet. All right. So put everything together, and I was trying to, reduce the amount of spices. Then put them aside. Again, cooking oil. Throw your chicken livers inside. The chicken liver, you feel it. Let the chicken liver make sure that your oil is a bit, heated, because if it's not heated, chicken livers are spoiled bread. They are very spoiled. They are difficult to. I don't like them much, so I don't know what was I doing buying them. To show that they are very old. Already they took their own shape. They are becoming pieces without me conducting them to be pieces. You see, cooking is a experiment. My sister, sometimes you say you want to go left, then the food goes right. You see, so that's why it's creativity and hey, you just cook. So I threw in some, what is this thing? Is it garlic? Crushed garlic? Yeah, the smell, guys. Chicken livers and smell. Ooh, same WhatsApp group with the intestines. So I tried to reduce smell garlic, and then this was spice. Somebody said, you don't tell us this, but guys, I told you that I reuse containers. I just buy spices with sachet, and then I refill. So most of the time I don't even know myself, but I think that one was chicken spice. So please, thou shall be forgiven. I don't know which spice, whatever that came first or that caught my eye, I get it. And this one is it Worcester sauce? Is it Worcester sauce? Yeah, something like that. Worcester sauce. All right, Worcester sauce. We are going to put it chicken livers because they are brown in color. I don't want to see a Worcester sauce inside your chicken because it's going to change the entire color. Yeah, chicken is poison ka Christmas, and we don't want that. Remember the veggies that we fried earlier? Yes, and then with your, is it cracking, guys? I keep on forgetting these things. The one that you put, how did I bega, man? Then wachela your chicken livers, wachela your sweet and sour, mustard, what sauce, any sauce. When it comes to sauces, I will put any sauce of your choice, and then chutney to give it that sweetness taste, and then you mix everything together, right? Everything together. Today I read chicken liver just sopo, ikuje sopo. Sopo ikhuje muthu waki wena muthu kikhuje sopo umuntu mazulu yekani umsopo please yekela umsopo namhlanje iza idlale chicken liver lesi and uzidla nesinkwa ngisho or lento yenu, what do you call it, steamed bread ujeqa yini leyo hey linganthuki mina, you know, and a little bit of Worcester sauce again because my mind says we need a little bit more. You see, it looks nice, man, and you can even have it ka toasted bread. Ka cold weather. Ka le never weather ya utonya ya le shara kanche. Weather usually lodge ofeja or fresh parsley, little bit of fresh parsley with a live with a tata, with a that thing, right? O ka ija ka borotho nna ke jile ka rice nna nka se je nama ka borotho a ke hafi ke a raloka. So nna ke jile ka rice, I had it with my rice, that little bit of mayonnaise ka ke tshwara ka juice, a little bit of juice, then that's it. Fast, simple, easy, and nice. You see, nice. You can do this Kadi festive, plus you guys are hosting your children and your sister's children and their children's children. So please, easy meal. Without any waste of time, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy meal. Until we meet again, family, subscribe, like, comment, you guys. 1,000 subscribers, December. Come on, guys. I love you and